All right, welcome back to the trade recap, ladies and gentlemen. And this one's going to be nice and short and sweet. We haven't caught any trades the past 2 days, and today we caught a little tiny one. I wasn't really on for market open. I had stuff I had to do this morning, so I hopped on the charts pretty late today. But let's just go over what happened today as far as the market goes. So at 8:30, we know we had unemployment claims, and we can see that really didn't do too much. Um, but come market open, we see we pretty much drop pretty drastically and we take out um, Asia low. And normally from here, once we see a sweep on a session low, we can anticipate a potential reversal. But ultimately, we can see that we don't get any kind of reversal confirmation like a break of structure or a liquidity sweep or a SMT, sorry, or anything of that sort. So following this, I got on the charts around like 10:30, 10:35. We can see that we come back up here and fill out this 1 minute fair value gap. And while we do also break structure down here, um, some people could have entered off of that and targeted like previous day high or these other key levels are like previous day low or daily open. But ultimately, I still wasn't even on the charts yet. And if you did try to target this, you would have ultimately gotten stopped out, unfortunately. But this is the trade that I took today. We had this strong 5 minute rejection block form right here, which I was willing to take. But then also I saw that we had this 1 hour devil mark right here that was super close to getting filled. It lined up with the unfilled 1 hour fair value gap. Um, with that being the scenario, I was willing to take a little bit of a premium to try to target this devil's mark down here. And what I did was I took this really weak 1 minute rejection block at equilibrium with a standard 10 point stop. And we can see pretty much we get tapped in, almost get stopped out, like missed this by like 2 points, I think it was. Yeah, no, literally missed my stop loss by 1 point. And I was targeting 550 as my full TP. That would have been a 7.3 RR. But ultimately, after we swept this first internal low, I started trailing my stop loss to secure profit on the day. And we can see as soon as we swept that low and I moved my stop loss, I got stopped in profit. And it was a good thing that we did that. And it's a good thing to always manage your positions properly because one, the market is not always going to be going in your favor and it always has the potential to reverse on you. And two, it's always good to secure money when the market makes it available. But ultimately, we can see that after we got taken out, we don't go much lower than this, and we would have got stopped at break even if I had stayed break even. And ultimately, the reason why I didn't take this 5 minute rejection block was because I made my money on this first trade. I called it there after that. Had I taken the second trade and tried to risk more money to make more money, I would have ended up losing money. So that's why it's also very important to always just be satisfied with your wins and to not, in a sense, overtrade because if you make your trade on the day and you make your money, the moment you take another trade, you give the market a opportunity to take the money back that you had just made. But that's going to be wrapping up this video, guys. This was the wick model kind of mixed up with the OTE model that I have, which I don't really go over because I don't use it as often. Um, but if you learned something new, drop it down in the comments below if you liked the video. Leave a like, and obviously, of course, subscribe. It helps me out a lot, guys. Otherwise, I'll catch you with the next one. Peace.